In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Shopify URL. First of all, make sure you are logged into your Shopify store. Once you are inside your dashboard, locate the option labeled Online Store in the left-hand side menu. Hover your mouse over it and you will notice an eye icon appear at the end of it. Go ahead and click on the eye icon, and this will open a preview of your Shopify store in a new tab. At the top of this new tab, you'll see the full URL of your store displayed in the address bar of your browser. Simply click on this URL to highlight it. Once it's highlighted, right-click on it and then select Copy from the drop-down menu. You can now paste this link wherever you need, whether it's for sharing with others or saving it for later. If you feel like the URL is too long or you just prefer a shorter version, you can easily shorten it. To do that, open a new browser tab and search for URL shortener. Hit Enter and select any of the URL shortening websites that appear. Here, paste your copied Shopify URL into the box provided, and then click on Shorten URL. The site will generate a much shorter version of your link. Copy this shortened URL, and you can now use it wherever needed, and that's how you can find your Shopify store URL.